there, little friends. Do you want to follow me on a farm? Let's go! Kitten wakes up. What a lovely day. She stretches her paws. She's ready to play. Trace the line over the hay to the door. Kitten has got a whole farm to explore. First, Kitten visits the fluffy white sheep. But these lazy lambs are still fast asleep. Help Kitten get through the field on tiptoes without waking up her friends as she goes. Next, Kitten calls on her feathery friends, the tall noisy geese and the soft clucking hens. She watches the frog as they leap, jump and hop across the stones, then into the pond with a plop. The meadow is full of cows eating grass. They say moo to Kitten as she wanders past. She stopped to look at a pink butterfly as she loops and twirls across the blue sky. The sun is setting and Kitten's ready for bed, but raindrops are splashing onto her head. Help Kitten get back to her warm bed of hay without stepping in rain puddles on the way. Yay! We did it! Thank you guys! Kitten is now back in her farm. See you next time!